Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to change the visibility of your channel videos on PC. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to control who can see your content. So let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch the YouTube Studio on your PC to access your channel settings. Step 2. Click on Content. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the Content tab, where you'll find a list of all your uploaded videos. Step 3. Go to Visibility Bar. Look for the Visibility Bar, which can be found next to each video thumbnail. This is where you can control the visibility settings. Step 4. Click on the arrow. To change the visibility of a video, simply click on the arrow icon located in the visibility bar. This will open a drop-down menu with different visibility options. That's it. By following these 4 easy steps, you can easily change the visibility of your YouTube channel videos on PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.